Good day everyone. Today I'm going to present a student information system, DBL system, which is GUI Tocket for Java application. So this system allows user to input student details such as student ID, name, course, and year level, and view all entires in a structured table. So the interface is designed to be user-friendly with a clear input fields, level section, and button for adding or clearing student records. So the application also include a menu bar with a file and help option, so where user can exit the program or view information about the system. So all components including buttons, levels, input, fields, and tables are styled for readability and visual appeal. So the system validates input to ensure that no field is left empty before adding a student records. So let's explain my code. Code public class hunted sa get content panel is nganhi is mag-define ng main class sees as a frame, which allow it to function as a window in GUI application. So the constructor set the title, size, and background color to create a visual appealing interfaces. So it also centers the window on the screen and ensure it close properly when the user exit. Then, ngani sa G menu bar hantod sa set menu bar is this group is mag-create ng menu bar with a two main menus. So field and help. The file menu has an exit option that close the application immediately. Then the help menu show us an about dialog that provides information about the program and its purpose. Then, ngani sa G-level hantod sa G-level header is kaning this section is mag-create ng a large level and at the top of window to display application title. So the font, color, and padding are customized to make it visualize distinct and professional. The header helps user immediately and recognize the purpose of the interfaces. Then, ngani sa G panel input panel hantod sa input panel add text name.gbc. So, ngani is this group is mag-create ng input form for entering student information including ID, name, course, and year level. So, grid bag layout is used para mag-organize ng level and fields neatly into rows for a clean layout. So, each input is component has a fixed size to maintain consistency and improve usability. Then, ngani sa G button add, then G button panel add button clear is this section is mag-create ng two buttons for user action, then mag-add ng student and a clear table. Then the button are styled with the colors to different their function and enhance the interface. So they are arranged in the center panel to provide an easy and accessible layout for the user. Then, ngani sa string columns hantod sa scroll funnel that set border is ngani is mag-create ng a table to display student records with the columns for ID, name, course, and year level. Then default table model allow dynamic addition and deletion of rows. Then the table is styled with a custom form, fonts, header, colors, and row height to make it visualize appealing and easy to read. Then ngani sa btn button add, then button clear add action listener is nganhi is mag-define ng behavior of the buttons when click Then the Add Student button reads the input field, then validates that none are empty. So add a new row to the table, then the Clear the Table button removes all the row from the table instantly, so allowing user to reset the data.
So let's karon may code. So wait. Yo yan na din ato kita kita dahil mag type ng student ID. Ato isuot nga na student ID. Then student name. Then course. And also year level. Then add student. So yan na din. So let's add again. ID, student name, then man sa student name, course, then year level, then add. Yan na, that's all.